and sisters, loving Sai Ram, one and all. I'm here to present you a very important section of today's evening. That is the prize distribution segment for different competitions of the year 2023. Here the students who have shown marvelous talent in the whole year has become the pioneers of today's evening. Today, we have the privilege of acknowledging them, the remarkable individuals who have emerged as winners in their respective fields. This prize is just more than material rewards. They symbolize recognition, encouragement, and the belief in the potential of individuals. These prizes serve as a motivation for the winners to continue striving for greatness and inspire others to embark on their own journeys of success. Now, we will begin with the first category, which is the awards we have for Ishwarama Day Competition 2023. For this, I would like to request our chief guest, Dr. Satya Swarup Patnaik, State President of Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization, Odisha, to come over to the dais and felicitate our prize winners. For the first category, Ishwarama Day Competition 2023, we have Shri Vishwa Prakash Mishra of Group 1, excellent in Sloka, Prarthana and Suprabhatam. Shri Vishwa Prakash Mishra. Next, we have Shri Animesh Patnaik of Group 1, excellent in Vedam chanting. We have Kumari Bhagyalakshmi Naik of Group 1, excellent in Value Song recitation. Kumari Bhagyalakshmi Naik. And Kumari Krishna Naik of Group 1, excellent in Value Song recitation. Now from Group 3 we have Shri Jagdish Patra, excellent in Gita Shloka and Bhaja Govindam. Shri Jagdish Patra. Next, Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra of Group 3, excellent in creative writing. Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra. Next, Kumari Gayatri Patnaik of Free Sevadal, excellent in expansion of Sai message. Kumari Gayatri Patnaik. Moving on to our next category, that is district level national essay writing competition, we have Kumari Subhashri Rautrai, who has bagged third position in national essay writing competition. My heartfelt gratitude flows to our State President Dr. Satyaswarup Patnaik for gracing the dais. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request our President of Sai Shivam, Dr. Bannambar Panigrahi Mosa, to come over to the dais to hand over some of the cups. Now we have the awards for the District Festival of Joy 2023. The first prize in music chair competition goes to Kumari Gungun Jaina. Kumari Gungun Jaina. Kumari Gungun Jaina, first prize in music chair competition. The second prize in music chair competition goes to Kumari Gayatri Jaina. Kumari Gayatri Jaina. The second prize goes to Kumari Sonali Sethi. Kumari Sonali Sethi. The third prize in skipping goes to Kumari Sai Shri Behera of Bapuji Nagar Bhajan Mandali. Kumari Sai Shri Behera. Next in slow cycling, the first prize goes to Shri Jeevan Gowda. Shri Jeevan Gowda. Moving on to our next category, that is annual sports of Sai Shivam. The winners of balloon game are from Group 1. The students are Kumari Harshali Dora. Kumari Harshali Dora. Please give them a huge round of applause. Kumari Draksha Singh. Kumari Draksha Singh. Kumari Harshali Dora, Kumari Draksha Singh, Kumari Ambika Sahu, Kumari Ambika Sahu, Kumari Ambika Sahu. Kumari Gudli Khandwal. Kumari Gudli Khandwal. Kumari Dibansini Bihari. Kumari Dibansini Bihari. Kumari Aradhna Jaina. Kumari Aradhna Jaina. Shri Sai Reyansh Jaina. boys, Shri Sai Reyansh Jena, Shri Sai Reyansh Jena, Shri Yashas Viraj, Shri Yashas Viraj, Shri Subhashis Samal, Shri Subhasis Samal, Shri Priyam Kumar, Shri Divyansh Pradhan, Shri Himanshu Shekhar Panda, Shri Animesh Patnaik, Shri Vishwaprakash Mishra, Shri Vishwaprakash Mishra, Shri Munu Naik, repeating again, Shri Sai Reyansh Jena, Shri Subhashis Samal, Shri Priyam Kumar, Shri Next we have Shri Subham Sahu of Group 2. He has picked first position in math race. Shri Subham Sahu. Then the second prize in math race goes to Shri Sibesh Rautrai of Group 2. Shri Sibesh Rautrai. Shri Rohanlal Tripathi of Group 2 has bagged third position in math race. Shri Rohanlal Tripathi. Now in math race for girls of Group 2, the first prize goes to Kumari Shivani Pradhan. Kumari Shivani Pradhan. Kumari Bhagyalakshmi, who has picked second position in math race. Kumari Bhagyalakshmi. Kumari Bhagyalakshmi. Kumari Pooja Sahu of Group 2 has bagged third position in math race. Now the next award goes to the winning team of Lakshmi Group participating in Grab the Opportunity game. I would like to request the participants to receive the cup, and the participants are Kumari Swarnapriya Mahanti, Kumari Swarnapriya Mahanti, Kumari Pooja Sahu, Kumari Sonali Sethi, Kumari Tanmay Mahanti, Kumari Somyashri Narayani, Kumari Suchitra Swain, Kumari Devashmita Jena, Now I would like to take the opportunity to thank Dr. Vandamal Panigai Mosa for gracing the dice. Thank you, Mosa. Now I would like to hand over the further proceedings to my co-anchor sister Sheetal Patra.
Om Sri Sai Ram. Now, I would like to request our Samiti convener, Sri Pratap Chandra Mahapatra, to come over the stage and felicitate our blooming words. So please. For our next category, Gold to Ring Boys, Gold Touring Boys, the first position is backed by Sri Satyajit Behra. Sri Satyajit Behra, Group 2, first in Gold Touring. Moving on to our next category, Blind Direction Girls. The first prize is jointly backed by Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra and Priyanka Sethi. Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra and Priyanka Sethi, Group 3, first in Blind Direction. Please give a huge round of applause for them. The second prize is again jointly backed by Kumari Gayatri Jana and Swagatika. Kumari Gayatri Jana and Swagatika, Group 3, second in Blind Direction. Gayatri Jana and Swagatika, Group 3, second in Blind Direction. For our next category, Jyoti Girls, the first prize goes to Bhumika Mahapatra. Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra, Group 3, first in Jyoti. Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra, Group 3, first in Jyoti. The second prize is backed by Kumari Harapriya. Kumari Harapriya, Group 3, second in Jyoti. Our next category, Skill Football Boys. The first prize goes to Sri Swayamsu Panda. Sri Swayamsu Panda, Group 3, first in Skill Football. Sri Swayamsu Panda, Group 3, first in Skill Football. The second prize goes to Sri Chinmaya Maharana. Sri Chinmaya Maharana, Group 3, second in Skill Football. Sri Chinmaya Maharana, Group 3, second in Skill Football. And the third prize is backed by Sri Jagdish Patra. Sri Jagdish Patra, Group 3, third in Skill Football. Sri Jagdish Patra, Group 3, third in Skill Football. Moving on to the next, we have Slow Cycle Boys. The first prize goes to Sri Chinmaya Maharana. Sri Chinmaya Maharana, Group 3, first in Slow Cycle. Chinmaya Maharana, first in Slow Cycle. The second prize goes to Sri Jagdish Patra. Shri Jagdish Patra, Group 3, second in slow cycle. Shri Jagdish Patra, Group 3, second in slow cycle. And the third prize is bagged by Arman Swine. Shri Arman Swine, Group 3, in third in slow cycle. Shri Arman Swine, Group 3, third in slow cycle. For our next category, youth, we have balanced race in girls. The first position has been grabbed by Sonita Swine. Kumari Sonita Swine, first in balanced race. Kumari Sunita Swine, first in balanced race. The second prize has been bagged by Kumari Bhagyalipi Behra. Kumari Bhagyalipi Behra, second in balanced race. Kumari Bhagyalipi Behra, second in balanced race. And the third prize goes to Kumari Vasundhara Bismay. Kumari Vasundhara Bismay, third in balanced race. Kumari Vasundhara Bismay, third in balanced race. Now balanced race for the category boys. The first prize has been bagged by Shri Prakash Maharana. Shri Prakash Maharana, first in balanced race. Shri Prakash Maharana, first in balanced race. The second prize goes to Shri Swastik Pati. Shri Swastik Pati, second in balanced race. Shri Swastik Pati, second in balanced race. And the third prize goes to Shri Vikas Mahapatra. Shri Vikas Mahapatra, third in balanced race. Shri Vikas Mahapatra, third in balanced race. In any group activity, may it be an organization or sports, coordination plays an important role for making it successful. So for our next category, volleyball, the award goes to the winning group, Shivaji Maharaj team, which was played by our youth and pre-Savadar boys. So I would like to request all the team members to come upon the stage and receive their cup. The team members are Vikas Pale, Sandeep Mahapatra, Kartik Behra, Bharat Mahapatra, Gagan Gowda, Devi Prasad and Satyavachar. The winning group, Shivaji Maharaj team for volleyball. Thank you, Mosa. Again, I would like to welcome our State President, Dr. Satya Swarup Patnaik, to take over the further proceedings. A small speech. And I would also request Siva Sankar Rautai to please come upon the stage and bless our students. A small seed grows into a big tree, spreading fresh air and providing shade to others. In a similar way, a Bal Vikas student grows and sets an example for being an ideal human being for others. So it is important to recognize the value of such seed in this organization. Now it's time to announce the best Bal Vikas student of the year. The best Bal Vikas student of the year, and the award goes to Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra. Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra, Group 3, Best Bal Vikas Student of the Year 2023. Kumari Bhumika Mahapatra, Group 3, for Best Bal Vikas Student of the Year 2023. Moving on to our next category, Subhadra Memorial Award for All-Rounder Student of the Year 2023 of Satya Sai College for Women has been backed by Kumari Joshna Rani Behera. Kumari Joshna Rani Behera, All-Rounder Student of the Year 2023 of Satya Sai College for Women. Kumari Joshna Rani Behera, All-Rounder Student of the Year 2023. A group is powerful enough to meet any challenges and capable enough to meet any activity in a successful way, provided that the group is guided and led by a far-sighted leader. To create such personalities, Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization is conducting National Leadership Program. And it is a proud moment for Sai Shivam that one of our youths has successfully completed the program. So with a huge round of applause, let's welcome Sri Shubham Satpathy to please come over the stage and receive the honor on behalf of Sai Shivam. Sri Shubham Satpathy for successfully completing the National Leadership Program. Sri Shubham Satpathy for successfully completing the National Leadership Program. Sri Shubham Satpathy for successfully completing the National Leadership Program. Now, the most awaiting moment is here. It's time to announce the name of Best Youth of the Year 2023. And the award goes to Kumari Sai Shilpa Champati. Kumari Sai Shilpa Champati, Best Youth of the Year 2023. Kumari Sai Shilpa Champati, Best Youth of the Year 2023.
Offering my gratitude. Om Shri Sai Ram. I, Sai Shivam, who had witnessed everything from the beginning to the end, would request everyone to bear with me for 2 minutes while I offer my vote of thanks at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. First and foremost, I would like to thank my Almighty who showered a constant flow of His blessings along with abundant love and support towards me and to His children. Secondly, I'd like to thank my Guruji and Guruma for their constant support and guidance in keeping discipline and conducting a divine cultural program, all the while ensuring that all my sons and daughters are not hungry while they're working. I would like to thank all my beloved daughters for taking care of the tiny tots, making all their efforts at beautifying me with rangoli and taking the driver's seat while serving prasad to devotees, which is a very tedious task. I'm extremely thankful to all my dear sons for all the 3 sleepless nights and still working with the same intensity despite facing a constant test from Swami. I'm truly blessed to have sons and daughters like you. Tons of love and blessings to you all. Finally, to all the devotees who spared their time in becoming a part of this divine party and celebrating my 24th annual day, I extend my thanks to all the devotees who came and contributed in every possible service, to all my family members when they required the most. Thank you all. At last, I pray before Baba to fill each of your lives with blessings, health and happiness. Om Shri Sai Ram.